Alright, good morning everybody. Thanks for checking out my channel. My name is Jesse Reynard, and today I'm going to show you how to fake a lens flare or sun flare in Photoshop. So this should only take a couple minutes, but it's definitely going to help you step up your photos from a regular hiking photo like this one to just a better epic Instagram photo or hiking banger, whatever you want to call it. Alright, so we'll cue the intro. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is duplicate your layer in Photoshop. So I've gone ahead and I've done that. It's called layer 1. So I'm going to show you this lens flare or sun flare in a two-step process. So I'm going to show you the basic way to do it, and then I'm going to show you how to make it look even better. So it's very simple. Just up at the very top of your Photoshop in the menus, you want to click on Filter, Render, and then Lens Flare. And by the way, this is a photo of myself that Rob Ansit shot when we were out hiking, so I'm going to go ahead and link his YouTube and Instagram to this channel in the description, so be sure to check him out. So when it comes to lens flares, I like to use the 105 prime, and I'm going to stick it just above my head where the sun was actually shining to make it look as genuine as possible. For brightness, I want to make this look awesome, so I'm just going to brighten it up like crazy, probably make it about 111. So that's what it looks like. You can probably keep it as it is right now and be quite happy with the way it looks. But we're going to add a little bit more to it. So the next step would be, I'm going to duplicate this layer again. And then what we're going to do, I'm going to add a blank layer. We're going to go to Edit, Fill. We're going to fill it completely black. It's taken a while, so I'm going to have a sip of my coffee. My computer is super slow. You can see my cat in the background. Two cats are in the background. Black demon cats. Okay. So this black layer is simply to see what exactly you're doing. We're going to remove this black layer right after. So what I want you to do again is add another layer, a blank layer. You want to grab your brush. So just keep drawing your squigglies, little dots, draw them all over the place. While this loads, I will have another sip of my coffee. There's no better way to start your Saturday than with a coffee. Okay, so you want to go to Filter, Blur. You want to make sure you have Zoom selected. Put it around the 80 range or however you want. You can see when you're decreasing it and increasing it, it's actually kind of zooming the blur. For quality, usually you want it to be best. I'm going to put as good for now just for the sake of this video. Then hit OK. Alright, so let's just say I'm happy with this. What we're going to do next is, if you hit Command U, it's going to bring up your hue and saturation. So I want to drag this to the right because I want it to be more orange. I don't want it to be red. I want it to look like the sun. And I'm going to increase the lightness a little bit. Not by much, but just a little bit. Alright, so I'm pretty happy, and maybe I want to be a little bit darker orange. Yeah, that's good. Alright, so basically you just hit OK. Then what what you want to do is you want to hit your transform tool. You can also do Command T. And I'm just going to move this a little bit, rotate it, probably something like that. Actually, kind of like that, just like that. Hit your little check mark up top there. So once you're happy with that, all you have to do then, select your layer again, add a layer mask, select your paintbrush, change your color to black, make sure you have your layer mask selected, increase your brush, and basically just paint out the areas that you're not really happy with, or that you don't necessarily need. Like I don't want this huge orange streak. I also kind of want to darken my face again and bring a little bit of the detail back. And then maybe I'll just kind of lighten this little area there. Go back to the regular lens flare, add a layer mask here. And again, maybe just paint out, actually wrong one. Add a layer mask to this one, and same thing, just kind of bring back a little detail. So that's basically it. It's very simple, and it can make your pictures look a million times better. So I hope you guys learned something. Please leave a comment below if you like this video. Definitely subscribe and give it a thumbs up. And tag me in your photos if you end up creating a fake lens flare or sun flare. Tag me on Instagram or whatever other social media you might use. You can find me on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and on YouTube. I would love to see what you guys create. Alright, so enjoy the rest of your Saturday. Thanks for checking out the video and channel. Peace.